These Hearth and Harbor extra deep pocket sheets are designed specifically for very tall split king mattresses, so the fitted pieces actually stay put instead of popping off the corners overnight. The microfiber fabric is finely woven and brushed on both sides, giving the sheets a smooth, almost velvety feel that is noticeably soft against the skin. With 2 fitted sheets, 1 oversized flat sheet, and 4 generously sized pillowcases, the set is well thought out for split king owners who want a coordinated, complete bedding setup. The extra deep pockets comfortably accommodate mattresses between 18 and 24 inches deep, making them a reliable choice for thick pillow top or foam beds that usually overwhelm standard sheets. The material resists pilling, snagging, and fading, which is especially helpful for homes with pets or frequent washing, since the sheets keep their color and surface over time. Care is very simple because the fabric is made to resist wrinkles, shrinking, and stains, and it can be machine washed in cold water and dried quickly on a low heat setting.